Somebody pray for me. It been that day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Alright boys, we're going on a little ride tonight, and that means I gotta prep something to ride. So, I actually really want to ride the 110s tonight, but I might have to do that this weekend because I don't have a light on the 110. And we're going on a little tunnel ride. So, boys, we're resorting to the 150 Tao Tao stunt scooter. I haven't rode this thing in a while, so first thing we're about to do is plug in the battery. This thing actually caught on fire one time and it burnt the charging harness. The stator to actually keep the battery charged, so the battery just dies every time and the lights just die out on that. So I got a new mic for the GoPro, put that in the helmet, go test that, go test the ped out, and then make sure everything's dialed and we should be good to go. I got like 2 hours, so let's get to it, boys. Alright, Grom homie just DM'd me actually and just explained to me a little bit more on his mic setup for this, so I'm not even sure if this is going to work. Alright, before I even start this video, I just want to address the issues I've been having with my GoPro in case anyone else moto vlogging has the same issues or whatnot. So, the GoPro 8, it comes with one jack in it, and that's this USB-C jack. They used to come with that port right there, and you were able to run just straight mic adapter. Run one of these, which is like a USB thing, a micro USB to like a 3.5 millimeter jack point, and they would be just fine. Then put the regular jack in your helmet. GoPro 8 has a USB-C, and it makes it a lot more complicated. So first I bought this USB-C to headphone jack converter. It was like $10, doesn't work. Found out by everybody's forums that you need this GoPro brand one that has the 3.5 mil port on it. First off, I bought this mic to try, MOPBOYZ, and I plugged that straight into here. I found out that this was the actual problem, so I then bought this, tried it with the MOPBOYZ mic. That also didn't work. So then I bought this mic, a Purple Panda mic, and that also does not work. And I've watched like 10 videos where people ran this mic and it worked. And they plug into this adapter for the TPR or the TRS or whatever you want to call it. I watched all those videos and it still does not work. So, with that being said, I just ordered my third mic, which is like some squid mic that a subscriber actually told me he used and it works. So, I may be trying that. Otherwise, I think it might be this that's bad. So, I don't know what the case is, but this thing has been the struggle. So, hopefully we'll have it right for the next moto vlog. But I think for tonight's sake, and I want to film, I'm going to go ahead and put one of these sticky pad things and one of these fur things and just put a wind muff over this mic hole. At least want to be able to put some clips in today from the ride. So I had to trim it up a bit and make it work, but I think it's good. Looking good in here. Got well, besides the grip full of Skittle turkey knife to carve the MB5 seat. I saw a bunch of people suggest getting one of these, so gonna try that out. We got the beautiful sunset going down. Still got Conehead Larry over here. Hey Ryuk, say what up. Can't stop biting at this cut he has on his tail, so if I can't watch him full time, I have to put the cone on because he can take off his scab in like 2 seconds and then it's like 2 weeks to heal it again. If you live in Vegas, let me know if you know anyone that does concrete. I'm looking to get this concrete 4 inches thick. I think it's 36 by 20 if I remember right. Might be off a little bit. 36 by 13. It's 36 by 13. I'm looking to get this concreted with a slope into the garage and like a ramp, and then I need stucco. Hit me up. If you're in Vegas, let me know. I'm looking for some deals. With that being said, we went on a little adventure the other night, and I cleaned the stunt pad now, but you guys should have seen it after the ride. This thing was completely just muddy and filthy because we went riding in the sewers. Alright, but anyways, we went on a pretty cool ride through some tunnels here. Met up with a few dudes that also ride mopeds, more of like the real like pedal-like mopeds, 2-stroke. I got a few clips from that. Like I said, my GoPro mic was messed up, so I did not get in-helmet audio, but surprisingly, the GoPro 8 does have pretty good low light, so at least the clips are useful that I did get, and you can see a little bit of what we went on. It was pretty fun, and we're going to do something like that here soon. Again, hopefully maybe in the daytime so I can get some better footage. It was fun to pull out the 150 after not riding it for a pretty long time, and it was fun to pop up some wheelies on this thing.
hubs. They make this, and what they do is they basically make it's a scooter rear variator, because our clutch is in the front.
Yeah,
You get your plates to sit closer together, and this farther back,
yeah.
you get even
Get better.
more torque.
But I don't need it. Like, you'll see, this thing doesn't need any torque.
It just picks up every time you.
Oh, dude, it's crazy. Here's
it's like so light.
Check this out.
so light.
So see this little switch right there? If you push that down, it disengages the belt.
Oh.
So like, let's say you had to like. See?
What the hell?
Yeah, and then you engage it back up.
So
that way-
box back there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And flips the engine, and there's a decompression valve on the head right there.
Yeah.
So literally, it's just like.
Yeah. The thing sounds like a beast. Bro. Moped. Dude. She got a little wet. Yours is gonna be dirty.
I know. So cold. I got a couple, like 5 bikes from are all.
yeah, it was a really fun ride. So I'm stoked we got to go do that. And hopefully next time we do it, it'll be way better and way longer and have a way better setup. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. Make sure you guys leave a thumbs up on this video, subscribe, and check out the link in the description below and join the crew. But that's gonna do it, boys. I'll see you all in the next one.